Hello guys, this is Curry Miner, and now you can find me on Minecraft PC as Lord Wick.
And I'm Mario Craft, and I got my new board.
Now we're doing another thing that we do, stupid stuff.
Yeah, so I don't like this board anymore.
And I think Mario's a bird brain.
Yeah, no, that would be you. Okay, I don't like this board, so we go down.
Okay.
So I'm gonna eat its face in. Destroy the board.
Stop hurting me. Stop hurting me.
No.
Stop hurting me.
No.
Stop hurting
No.
me.
That's
Stop hurting
fine,
me.
everyone.
Stop hurting me. Stop hurting me. I'm gonna fly away. I flew away.
Nope, got you.
We're gonna do a movie of Total Miner Forge then. Two.
Got you. Die.
Let's see if that bird looks tough. Maybe he'll survive.
I'm not gonna finish until I break this board in half. So, ow. What's up on my foot?
Well, if Mario doesn't, win, I guess the bird will peck him to death.
Look at it.
That bird's no bird brain, that guys.
We'll see it so far. What it looks like so far.
Well, you just rustled some feathers. He keeps on flying away.
I have to go around the hole. Oh, almost in the pond. Follow me. Oh, let me get it before it gets wet. Feathers everywhere that time.
Yeah. Make a good head covering. It's a albino now.